Hi, BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. So last week I asked you the question in one of our most recent polls on the channel, which AI chatbot do you prefer and use? And out of the 664 votes already cast, as you can see, 89% of you prefer to use Microsoft Bing over Google Bard, which only came in at 11%. So Microsoft Bing basically had a landslide victory, so to speak. Now, one of the reasons I think Google Bard is so low in the actual in its preferred use is, as I have been posting, Google is, for want of a better word, been very cautious with the rollout of Bard, and obviously its adoption rate has been very slow because of that compared to Microsoft Bing. Now, if you do want some more info regarding Google Bard, just do a search on the channel, as I have posted some videos previously if you want some more info. Now, getting back to Microsoft Bing, most of you use Microsoft Bing. And as mentioned, this has been out now for a good couple of months. And I even posted a video late last week that Microsoft had announced that the new Bing chat is now available for anyone to try with their Microsoft account, where previously you were required to join a waiting list. And that waiting list period is now over. And I'll also leave a link to that video in the description if you would be interested. Now, because obviously Bing Chat is the favorite, what I thought we could do in this video is just have a look at some of the new features and improvements that Microsoft has recently announced, and that will be coming to the new Bing Chat shortly. And this announcement was made on the 4th of May, so that was just a couple of days ago. And what I thought we could do, if you are interested, is just to go through some of the key highlights. And this is by no means a comprehensive list and is in no particular order. Now, the first, if you haven't heard, is that there's third-party plugin support coming to Bing, which I think will be a nice move, as I always say, in the right direction, with third-party plugin support rolling out shortly. And then the next is actually a highly requested feature, according to Microsoft, where you'll be able to save your previous chats. So we are going to be getting a chat history, which according to Microsoft will be rolling out shortly. So they don't actually give an exact time. They just say shortly in that announcement. So in true Microsoft fashion, we're going to just have to wait and see exactly when chat history will be rolling out. But basically, in a nutshell, what it means is that you'll be able to leave a chat midway through that chat and then pick up from where you left off at a later stage. So I think that'll also be handy for a lot of users. Now, the next is actually regarding the sidebar. And you'll be able to open a link in the actual chat on the main chat page, and that will then move it over and open that up into the Edge's sidebar. So this just negates the need to navigate between different sites and services. So when you open a link from a Bing Chat answer in Microsoft Edge, it will then soon be able to open up directly in the actual sidebar of Microsoft Edge. And then moving on to the next, Microsoft says they are planning to personalize chats, and I'm quoting this, by bringing context from a previous chat into new conversations, and that's all they give us regarding that. So once again, we'll have to just wait and see what bringing context from a previous chat into new conversations will actually be at the end of the day. And then if you are an avid social media user with numerous social media platforms, you'll soon be able to share your Bing Chat conversations across your different social media platforms. And then regarding the image creator, so just moving back to the actual sidebar, the image creator, I have posted a couple of videos if you want more info regarding the image creator, which basically uses artificial intelligence to search and create images. And Microsoft says there are more changes that are also coming to the Bing image creator, which, by the way, according to Microsoft, just on a side note, has created over 200 million images. And Microsoft has, as I have posted, been progressively expanding and making the image creator more widely available. And when it did roll out, though, it was only supported in English and now has over 100 supported languages. So we are expecting to see more changes coming to the Bing image creator. And then moving on to one or two more before we get to the end of this video, you'll also be able to scan PDFs as well as websites and generate short summaries from them. So that's going to be a nice move, I think, for a lot of users. And to some extent, those summaries are starting to roll out already in the new Bing Chat. And what this means is it will enhance efficiency and productivity for you by cancelling out the need to basically navigate between multiple sites. So once again, Microsoft really trying to integrate the use of Edge and the new Bing into one complete service without having to move between different sites and services, as mentioned. And then the last, moving back to the side panel and Bing in the sidebar. And when it comes to composing and the different tones, apparently Microsoft is also going to be adding better tone options over and above the tone options which are currently available. So that's just a quick summary of some of the key highlights that we can expect Microsoft to be rolling out to the new Bing chat over the next coming weeks, months, and so on throughout the course of this year. And that's in response, obviously, to which AI chatbot do you prefer and use, with 89% of you saying you prefer and use Microsoft Bing. So thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.